On Wednesday, Indian steel giant Tata Steel announced that it was cutting all business ties with Russia. This made Tata Steel the latest multinational company to stop business with Russia following the Russian invasion of Ukraine. A spokesperson from the company's European division, Tata Steel Europe, said in a statement that it does not have any operations or employees in Russia. The company added its steel manufacturing units in India, the United Kingdom and the Netherlands had arranged for raw materials to be sourced from elsewhere, ending its dependence on Russia. With the announcement, Tata Steel became one of the few Indian companies to halt business activities in Russia. Last week, Infosys, India's second-largest information technology company, announced that it had stopped its operations in Russia. The Indian government has not yet condemned a Russian invasion by taking a neutral stand amid pressure from Western countries.
If you like the video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. See you in our next videos.